In this video, we are going to show you how to organize client work in Poppy AI. Now, organizing work for your clients when you're using Poppy AI is the same way as organizing work that you are doing personally. So what do I mean by that? You need to be organized. You need to be not cluttered with your board. You need to be pretty much categorizing everything into groups, right? So when you open a new board, you want to organize this by creating groups for different materials. So what does that mean? It means that if you click this or click G and open a group, whatever materials you are using for your client and your project should be organized or should be categorized accordingly to their group. So for example, you have topics. You put all the topic titles here or topic files, right? If you have media, so videos, podcasts, photos, right? Audio files, everything goes to media. Website URL links. So if you're going to use URL links to specific websites, everything goes here. If you have any documents, Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word documents, everything goes here. And then once you have those, if we zoom out, you connect everything to your Poppy chat, which is this one, right? You click this, you create a new Poppy chat, and then you connect everything there, right? That is how you organize everything for your client and not just upload everything and then just connect everything there, because it's going to be cluttered. It's going to be messy. You're going to be confused, and it's going to lose you a lot of time. You're going to waste a lot of time by just managing everything instead of like before doing everything, categorizing, grouping up everything before connecting it to your machine. That's how you do it, and that's how you organize so that you'll be productive, efficient, fast, time saving, right? And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.